In this video, we show how to calculate the derivative of a cosine function. Let's jump right into the problem and calculate the derivative of f of x equal to 5 plus 3 times cosine of x. To calculate it, we first look at the general rule. It states that the derivative of the cosine of x is minus the sine of x. We can now apply this to our function. Remember that the derivative of the constant 5 is 0, and that the 3 multiplying the cosine will just multiply its derivative as well. We obtain that the derivative of 5 plus 3 times the cosine of x is equal to minus 3 times the sine of x. This ends the first example. Let us now consider a cosine function with a more complicated argument and calculate the derivative of f of x equals 3 plus 2 times the cosine of 5x minus 1. We need to apply the chain rule to the cosine function. Recall that for f of x equals g of h of x, a derivative is given by g prime of h of x times h prime of x. In our case, g of x is equal to 3 plus 2 times the cosine of x, and h of x is equal to 5 times x minus 1. We calculate their derivatives, which are g prime of x equals to minus 2 times the sine of x, and h prime of x equals to 5. We use them to calculate the derivative of f of x, obtaining minus 2 times the sine of 5 times x minus 1, all multiplied by 5. We can simplify the constants multiplying the sign and rearrange the terms. We obtain that the derivative of 3 plus 2 times the cosine of 5x minus 1 is equal to minus 10 times the sine of 5x minus 1. This concludes our examples. Thanks for watching.